Hi, Nick from Solution World of Clean. I want to talk to you today about one of the most important products you should carry on the van. It's called Defoamer. Everybody talks about it. Unfortunately, people tend to forget to use it. Then they get the expensive bill. You remember the one you got where your vacuum went wrong? Where water or foam had gone through it and damaged the vacuum? Unfortunately, that was your fault. Most products don't cause foaming, it's what's in the carpet that's causing the foam. Using a good quality defoamer will help alleviate the problem and protect your machine. Now with most products that we supply, if not all of them, we give you very precise instructions in terms of the amount to add when you're working with them. With defoamer, it's a little bit different. I'm going to tell you to use a BSG, British Standard Glug. Simply pour a little bit of the defoamer into the end of your vacuum hose with the machine turned on. This will then be drawn back all the way up the vac hoses into the waste tank of the machine. What it does is basically smooth the inside of the hose out. It contains some silicone, so it stops things frothing up. What it also does is it forms a coating on the water in the waste tank and creates something that breaks down the surface tension. That means stuff doesn't float. Obviously, if foam floats, you've got foam and then water, the foam can be drawn through the vac. If the foam can't float, it's in the water, therefore not drawn through your vac. It's not expensive. It's going to save you a lot of money. Keep it on the van. You won't need to use it every time, but just keep an eye out on the machine. If you're seeing foam build up in the tank, obviously empty the tank, release the foam, and use some of this.